Hello and welcome to the Salamone Reservoir. These podcasts will act as your audible guide around the reservoir site. Along the way, we will discuss the key points of ecology, which is the study of relationships between organisms with each other and with their environments. The entire world is made up of relationships and interactions between its many parts. There are many levels of ecology. It starts with an individual such as deer. When the deer joins a group of deer, it becomes a population. When many populations of different animal species join together, it becomes a community. Then, when the impacts of these things, like water and sunlight, are in the community, it becomes an ecosystem. These ecosystems are grouped into biomes and are part of a biosphere. All of this is located within the atmosphere, which is the highest level of ecology. Parts of ecology are also grouped into two different types of categories: biotic and abiotic factors. Biotic means living or once living. Biotic factors are things that are alive, such as animals, plants, and people. Abiotic means non-living. Abiotic factors are inanimate parts of nature such as rocks, soil, water, sunlight, and air. Both biotic and abiotic factors are absolutely necessary to have an ecosystem. There are many important systems in ecology. Food chains and food webs show the relationships between biotic factors in which things feed on each other. A food chain is just a simple relationship that follows one path. An example of a food chain is grass growing from the sun. A mouse eats the grass, a snake eats the mouse, and finally a fox eats the snake. A food web is more complicated combinations of food chains. Many food chains can be pulled from a food web, because there are many different paths that can happen. Within food chains and food webs, there are two main types of organisms: autotrophs, also known as producers, and also heterotrophs, also known as consumers. Autotrophs make their own food, and they are the plants of an ecosystem. Heterotrophs are the animals in an ecosystem that eat the plants or other animals. There are also levels of heterotrophs, starting at the first level heterotroph, which eats the producers. A second level heterotroph eats the first level heterotroph. The level of heterotroph just increases from each level up. Without classification of autotrophs and heterotrophs and understanding food relationships, ecosystems would be impossible to decipher and study.